हेलो क्या मौसम हो रहा है ब्रो। दिल्ली में इतना अच्छा मौसम ईद के चांद में होता है भाई। बिकॉज ऑफ द रीसेंट इंडिया पाकिस्तान सिचुएशंस आई कांट इवन से ईद का चांद भाई। ऐसे वियर्ड एज हिंदूज बोलने लगेंगे ब्रो यू आर सपोर्टिंग पाकिस्तान। फक यू निगा, फक यू। Obviously I'm not going to comment anymore about this situation, right? I don't have the right to comment or right to give my opinion, but anyway, I want to talk about something really important in this video. Okay? Something really important. The thing is, I'm working with a guy right now, right? And this guy is, अच्छा मैं तेरे को बोलता हूँ, कुछ लोग रिच होते हैं, कुछ लोग अमीर होते हैं, कुछ लोगों के पास पैसा होता है, लेकिन कुछ लोगों के पास अंधा पैसा होता है. So I'm working with a guy basically who has अंधा पैसा. And the thing is, if you don't know me कि मैं क्या करता हूँ, I am into sales. I'm a sales rep. So I am very good at my craft. I would say I am above average, but I am not इतना ऊपर अपनी I'm not that good at sales that I should be working with a guy who is this successful. Obviously I can't give you any details right now, right? Because I'm still in the starting phases of working with him, but over time I will give you details, definitely in the future videos. But abhi I can't give you much details. But just so you know, this guy is out of my fucking औकात. मुझे देख, मैं बहुत ईगोइस्टिक हूँ, राइट? मेरे ऐसे वीडियो पे भी किसी ने लिखा था कि ब्रो यू हैव सच अ ह्यूज ईगो और सम शिट, बट मुझे भी अपनी औकात पता है भाई, मेरी औकात कहाँ पर है. और ये बंदा मेरी औकात से बाहर है, एंड आई रियली डोंट डिज़र्व टू वर्क विद हिम. कभी कभी मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है भाई, आई डोंट डिज़र्व टू वर्क विद दिस गाय, बट ऑब्वियसली आई एम स्टिल वर्किंग विद हिम. द थिंग इज, आई एम नॉट दैट गुड एट सेल्स, right? There are better sales reps than me, but they are not working with this guy. They are working in some other shitty offer. Why the hell am I working with him? So that's a question. That's a very good question that I asked myself कि भाई इस बंदे ने मुझे क्यों choose किया? So instead of just thinking, I just asked him भाई कि bro, why did you choose me over somebody else? Because there are sales reps who are better than me, right? Who have more time than me. Because the thing is, I told him, bro, I'm 17, I go to school. Why are you choosing me over any other sales rep? By the way, this guy reached out to me. This guy offered me this job. I didn't reach out to him. Abhi, I can't tell you the story, right? Can't give you the details, but just so you know, ये ऐसे हुआ था. तो मैं तेरे को बताता हूँ, मैं तेरे को थोड़ा context देता हूँ. If you want to become successful, if you want to create wealth, if you want to earn money, तेरे पास तीन में से एक चीज़ होनी चाहिए. First is money. Money creates more money. Invest it the right way. तू अगर अपने 2 करोड़ के कैपिटल पे 1% रिटर्न भी जनरेट कर रहा है ना, you're making like 2 lakhs a month easy. And the thing is, if you're born rich, right, if your dad has like a 200-300 crore business, then you are set for life. तेरे को और अमीर बनने की ज़रूरत है नहीं, तेरे पास पहले ही इन्वेस्टमेंट से पैसा आ रहा है. So this is one thing. Second thing is कि you are exceptionally good at something. ठीक है? Let's say you are very good at programming, then you're going to earn money. But the thing is, for that you need to be in the top 0.0000001% of the programmers in the world. समझ रहा है? By the way, if you're thinking कि क्या टाइम हो रहा है, it's around 2 क्या टाइम है? Oh wow, it's around 2:50 AM. हाँ, मैं भाई इस टाइम पे घूमने में मज़ा आता है. But anyway, you gotta be the top 0.00001% if you wanna earn a really good money. मैं नॉर्मल पैसे की बात नहीं कर रहा, really good money. Same with sales. If you want to earn a lot of money with sales, you have to be an exceptional sales rep. You have to be an exceptional salesman. So this is the second way. First is having money, being born into wealth. Second is being exceptionally good at something. And the third thing is, And the reason why that guy chose me over any other guy who is better than me is the way you talk. And the thing is, it sounds so simple, but it's going to give you such a huge ROI if you just learn how to talk correctly. क्योंकि मैं बोलता हूँ क्या, by talking I don't mean like yapping and shit. I mean obviously I am yapping right now. I wouldn't say कि भाई मैं कुछ exceptionally good कर रहा हूँ बात करने में. But by talking I mean like you need to speak with authority. You need to speak with confidence. You need to speak with conviction. And you need to speak with in a kind of a seductive tone, honestly. The thing is, if you're speaking like this, people are automatically going to think कि तेरे अंदर कुछ है, तेरे अंदर कुछ तो है, because you're going to sound smart. And I think this is a very big skill. Obviously, you're not born into money. You're not exceptionally good at something. So what you can do is that you can kind of fake it. You can just try to sound smart. You can just try to say shit with conviction, just so people think that you are a hot shit. And this is something I am really good at. I think bachpan se. Let me tell you something. Bachpan se, I mean my mom still says this, that मैं अभी इस चीज़ में अच्छा हूँ. I am very good at lying. ठीक है. झूठ बोलने में मैं हमेशा अच्छा था. And the thing was that I used to lie like with so much conviction, with so much fucking conviction. ऐसे जैसे ही भाई कोई झूठ बोलता है पकड़ लेते हैं भाई. Usually देख मुझे तेरे I don't know about you, लेकिन मैं पकड़ लेता हूँ अगर कोई झूठ बोल रहा है, बिकॉज झूठ बोलने से पहले एक हेजिटेशन होता है ना, और थोड़ी सी नर्वसनेस होती है. आई हैव नेवर हैड दैट. आई एम वेरी गुड एट लाइंग. मुझे कोई नर्वसनेस नहीं होती, मैं कोई हेजिटेशन नहीं करता. आई जस्ट लाई लाइक अ फकिंग वाइट लाई. सीधा सीधा बोल देता हूँ विथ कन्विक्शन. एंड दैट्स अ वेरी like that's also good, that's also bad, but let's not focus on the bad side, let's focus on the good side. The good thing is that because of this, you know, being able to speak with conviction, being able to fake myself, that has given me way too much opportunities in life, way too many opportunities, like working with this guy जिसमें honestly बोलूँ तो मेरी औकात नहीं है इस बंदे के साथ काम करने की. So the thing is यार, अगर तेरे पास पैसा नहीं है, अगर तेरे पास कोई स्किल नहीं है जिसमें तू एक्सेप्शनली अच्छा है, you only have one thing, and it's the way you talk. If you are a sweet talker, if you are charismatic, if you speak with a lot of authority and you're warm, like you're warm to people, then people are going to respect you even if तू गरीब है, right? Even if तू अभी कुछ ज़्यादा है नहीं, people are still going to think that bro, he is some hot shit. And that's, I believe, अगर तू एक मिडिल क्लास बच्चा है भाई, तू एक मिडिल क्लास बच्चा है, you're a middle class teenager, that's one thing that if you master it, if you master this skill, तेरे को opportunities जितनी अभी मिल रही हैं उससे 100x मिलेंगी. Because this thing has happened to me, right? भाई यहाँ डर लग रहा है, यहाँ लाइट नहीं है भाई. ठीक है, मुझे रात को वैसे ही घूमने में डर लगता है. वो as a kid I watched too many horror movies, but anyway, 1 second. Yeah, so I hope you get what I'm trying to say. Basically, it's that अगर तेरे पास कुछ नहीं है ना भाई, ना पैसा ना स्किल, तेरे पास बस एक चीज़ है, it's the way you talk, it's the way you present yourself. And the thing is with me that I have always been good at it. For some reason, I have been good at it. Maybe it's because of my parents. My dad is a very charismatic speaker. My mom she is in business, so she is naturally very good at sales. तो मैंने उनको सुना है और इससे मुझे पता है कि भाई कैसे बात करना है, right? Like my dad is very charismatic. Like he's one of the most charismatic people I have ever met. And the thing is, let me tell you one thing. My dad is not very good looking. मैं बोल रहा हूँ, मेरा बाप नहीं दिखता. मेरा बाप खुद भी बोलता है कि मैं चूतिया दिखता हूँ. And the thing is that my mom, she used to be a model in her 20s, right? She used to be a model. And my dad, who is not tall, who is not particularly handsome, who was not rich, right? He bagged my mother. It was a love marriage, so he bagged my mom. Bagged matlab he impressed my mom, who was most probably out of his league. The thing is, I could have looked so much better, but my fucking dad ruined my genetics, right? मेरी मम्मी के इतने अच्छे जेनेटिक्स है जो मेरे बाप ने ruin कर दिए. But the thing is, looks really don't matter. It's the way you talk, and my dad is naturally very good at it. My dad also told me कि भाई अगर तू अच्छे से बात करते हो, अगर तुम खुद को अच्छे से present करते हो, and if you talk like you know shit, people are going to believe you. And it's very true, dude. My dad has also gotten a lot of opportunities in life जो उनको नहीं मिली थी, जो दूसरों को नहीं मिली थी. And he achieved he was very smart, honestly, लेकिन he achieved a lot of shit जो उनके level के लोग नहीं achieve कर पा रहे थे. It was because he used to talk well. And let me tell you something, my dad broke the generational curse. ठीक है, my grandfather, he wasn't very rich, and my dad used, through hard work, obviously, my dad broke that generational curse. And I am from a pretty, I wouldn't say rich family, but I am from a good upper middle class family. So the thing is, bhai, obviously I'm not particularly rich. मेरा बाप नहीं मेरे लिए पैसे छोड़ के जाएगा, bro, नहीं छोड़ के जाने वाला. but the only thing that you have as a young guy who doesn't have money, who doesn't have skill, who is not very smart, it's the way you talk. Seriously. And the way you talk is going to really dictate your life. It's going to be ये तेरे को या तो बहुत opportunities दे सकता है, या तो तेरे को कोई opportunities नहीं दे सकता. This can either repel people, or this can make you a social magnet. This can either be the reason कि तू लड़कियों को bag करता है, or this can be the reason कि तू लड़कियों को bag नहीं करता. It's basically fake it till you make it. Because you don't have money, you don't have this, you're not very good at or exceptional at a skill. So what you do is that you fake it. You talk smart, you talk like you know shit. And because of that confidence, even though that confidence is a bit fake, people are going to believe you, and people are going to think कि हाँ यार इस बंदे में कुछ तो है. The thing is, when I asked that guy, he didn't say कि भाई हाँ it's because how you speak. He just said to me कि भाई तुझ में कुछ है that I have, he's Indian only, right? He's very rich, but he just said to me भाई तुझ में कुछ है that I have not seen in other people. I don't know, it's the way you look, it's the way you present yourself, or it's your body language, or it's the way you talk. I don't know, but you just have something in you. And the thing is, I know what. It's just how I present myself, it's how I talk. So if you're young, just focus on this. अगर तेरे पास कुछ नहीं है, obviously focus on other things too, but this is very big thing. Don't be that type of guy जो भाई fully dedicated है भाई अपने business में, अपने किसी I don't know जो भी तू कर रहा है पढ़ाई में, fuck भाई लोग भाई बच्चे क्या करते हैं भाई, fully भाई 16-17 घंटे पढ़ाई करते हैं, right? Then they get into IIT, but the thing is कि okay IIT हाँ मिल गया, but the thing is they don't know how to talk, right? How the fuck are they going to impress the investors? क्योंकि भाई honestly अब वो टाइम चला गया भाई जब investors impress हो जाते हैं by the IIT degree. It's way too common now, right? It's way too common. हाँ भाई हर IITian भाई founder बनने की कोशिश कर रहा है. How the hell are you going to impress the investors, dog? How the fuck are you going to impress the investors if you don't know how to talk, if you don't know how to present yourself? You can be the shittiest salesman, you can have the shittiest product, but if you know how to kind of what the fuck was the word I was looking for, how to present it, bhai, it will look good. same thing is with sales. If you it doesn't matter कि भाई तू अपने pitch में क्या बोल रहा है. All it matters is कि तू कैसे deliver कर रहा है भाई. The tonality, right? The tonality, the warmth, everything. That's what matters. Seriously. Just focus on this skill, dude. Just focus on this skill. It's going to get you like chicks, right? It's going to get you money. It's going to, not money, but it's going to get you opportunities that are going to turn into money, and it's just going to make you a likable person, and it's going to boost your self-esteem, because there is nothing better than having the power to talk to anybody. Like honestly, मैं अगर कहीं जाता हूँ, right, if I live in Delhi, so if I go to Khan Market or if I go to CP, I can talk to like anyone. I can talk to the barista, right? I can कुछ भी भाई, I can just initiate a convo without much resistance. Same thing, chicks. I can initiate a convo. कुछ लौंडे भाई उनको डर लगता है भाई for some fucking reason. I don't know why. Fix that. That's not a good thing. You shouldn't be afraid of talking to chicks. समझ रहा है? But anyway though, this was the whole thing. This was the whole concept. And if you like the video, bro, please like karo yaar, and please share it with your friends and family. I am a very family friendly YouTuber, right? I don't मैं अपने वीडियो में गालियाँ नहीं देता, right? And yeah man, just subscribe. All right, anyway, bye. Mwah.